In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could play fairy chess and use fairy pieces here on chess.com. For whatever reason, this is only available on PC or the web version of chess.com, not on mobile, so keep that in mind. But before you actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the chess.com homepage and just hover over this little play button on this left hand side. And what you're going to want to do is select this little variants tab, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this. Up at the top, what you're going to want to do is actually search for a specific 4-player variant, which is called this, just like so. Go ahead and search for this specifically and go ahead and select it. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is either customize the rules or just hit play. But on the customize tab, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is remove the standard pieces from the board by hitting this edit position button. And then you could just drag all these out of here and drag in the fairy pieces instead. There's a lot of these pieces, so go ahead and drag them in accordingly. But whenever you're ready, go ahead and just scroll down, back out of this section by hitting load. And after doing so, hit play and you'll be good to go. It really is as simple as that. Now you're going to be playing the fairy chess game with special pieces. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.